Okay, first up, the worrisome news from Mumbai. The largest dumping ground in Mumbai has been on fire for the last 2 days now. The smoke from this fire at Mumbai's dumping ground has entirely swallowed South Mumbai as well as the eastern suburbs, adding to the smog that is now affecting the financial capital. Toxic smoke emanating from the fire has resulted in several residents of this area facing breathing problems as well. 74 government schools in the Deonar and Shivaji Nagar area have been given 2 days of leave as massive smoke has caused a severe pollution in eastern Mumbai. The air quality index recorded last evening was 325, the worst so far this year. Now, 12 fire tenders have been deployed to control the fire. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis tweeted to say that he has spoken to the Mumbai Municipal Corporation and that no stone will be unturned to control the smoke.
मैं अभी नूर हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हूँ। ये धुएं की वजह से मेरे सांस में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, इसलिए डॉक्टर ने मुझे एडमिट किया है।
Okay, let's get in a word from my colleague Mustafa Sheikh. Mustafa, we just heard the comments of this young girl who said that she actually had to be admitted to hospital. Are there such more cases being reported to hospital because of serious breathing problems?
Yes, of course, there have been hundreds of such cases which people are suffering from breathlessness because there's a huge population which stays around this tons of garbage which is collected daily and deposited in the Devnar area. And these dumping grounds should have been closed years back, but the BMC Corporation of Mumbai has failed to do so, and that's why there has been a problem of breathlessness in such areas. The reason for this fire since 2 days and creating smog in all of the city is not even clear. The fire brigade is taking all its efforts to fire, but they have not been. The result is a lot of smog, and there is a lot of chemical gathered around the dumping ground area also. So that's why people are suffering from breathlessness and other such diseases. People are being treated, and it's all rightly said, the schools have been closed in that, and they are hoping that by this evening the fire will be under control and people can.
Okay, so that's the piece of, in fact, latest news that Mustafa is providing to us, that there is hope that by this evening, in a couple of hours from now, perhaps the fire will be under control, and that's when the smog will also slowly start to settle in.